In this session, let us learn about Java switch. Java switch statements. Use the switch statement to select one of many code blocks to be executed. See here, code block, case y, code block, break, default code block. See here, this is how it works. The switch expression is evaluated once. The value of the expression is compared with the values of each case. If there is a match, the associated block of code is executed. The break and default keywords are optional and will be declared later in this chapter. See example. The example below use the weekend number to calculate the weekday number. See here, insert day is equal 5. Here Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. The fifth one is Friday. See, Friday was printed. The break keyword. When Java reaches a break keyword, it breaks out of which the switch block. This will stop the execution of more code and case testing inside the block. When a match is found and the job is done, it is time for a break. There is no need for more testing. The break can save a lot of execution time because it ignores the execution of all the rest of the code in the switch block. See here, that is default keyword. The default keyword specifies some code to run if there is no case match. See here, default. We are using default keyword here. See here, today is Sunday, today is Sunday. Looking forward to the weekend. Again it is looking. See here. Note that if the default statement is used as the last statement in the switch block, it does not need a break. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 12, Java switch. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java while loop. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.